Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Today we are diving into a common issue that Android users encounter: Google Play services errors. These errors can disrupt your app usage, cause crashes, and even affect your device performance. But do not worry, we've got you covered with a comprehensive guide to help you resolve these issues and get your device running smoothly again. So let us jump right in. Understand Google Play services. Before we dive into the solutions, it is essential to understand what Google Play Services is and why it is so crucial for your Android device. What is Google Play Services? Google Play Services is a critical background service that operates on your Android device. It plays a vital role in the seamless functioning of many features and apps. Essentially, it helps manage your Google account, sync your data, allows apps to communicate with Google services. This includes managing notifications, providing location services, and ensuring that Google apps and services work properly. Without it, many apps would experience issues or fail to function altogether. Common errors. You might encounter various errors related to Google Play services, such as the Google Play services keep stopping or Google Play services update error. These errors can result in apps crashing, failing to update, or behaving unpredictably. They might also affect other aspects of your device performance, such as battery life and overall stability. And here's how to troubleshoot Google Play Services error. Method 1. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can clear up minor glitches with Google Play Services. First step in troubleshooting is to restart your device. This action can resolve temporary issues or glitches. Here's how you do it. Press and hold the power button on your Android device until the power menu appears. Tap Restart or Reboot from the options. Your device will power down and then back up, which can refresh your system and clear out minor errors. Once your device has restarted, check if the Google Play Services error persists. This step is straightforward but often effective in resolving simple issues. Method number 2. Clear cache and data. If restarting doesn't fix the problem, clearing the cache and data for Google Play Services might be the next step. Over time, the cache for Google Play Services can accumulate temporary files that might cause conflicts or errors. Clearing these files can help resolve issues. Follow these detailed steps to clear the cache and data. Number 1. Open Settings. Start by accessing the Settings app on your device. You can usually find it by swiping down on your home screen and tapping the gear icon. Number 2. Navigate to App. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Applications. This will show you a list of all installed apps on your device. Number 3. Find Google Play Services. Scroll through the list and locate Google Play Services. Tap on it to open its settings. Number 4. Clear Cache. Tap on Storage to access storage settings for Google Play Services. Next, tap Clear Cache. This action will remove temporary files that might be causing problems. Number 5. Clear Data. If clearing the cache doesn't resolve the issue, tap Clear Data or Clear Storage. This will reset Google Play Services to its default state. Do not worry, this process won't delete your personal data or apps. It will only remove settings and temporary files associated with Google Play Services. Method number 3. Update Google Play Services. An outdated version of Google Play Services can cause compatibility issues with your apps. Check for updates. Keeping Google Play Services updated ensures that you have the latest features and bug fixes. Here's how you can check for updates. Number 1. Open Settings. Go back to the Settings app on your device. Number 2. Access App Information. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Applications. Number 3. Select Google Play Services. Locate and select Google Play Services from the list. Number 4. Update if available. If an update is available, you will see an Update button. Tap this button to update Google Play Services to the latest version available. This update can fix issues related to outdated software and improve compatibility with other apps. Manual Update. If you don't see an update option within the settings, you can try updating Google Play Services manually. Number 1. Open the Google Play Store app on your device. Number 2. Search for Google Play Services. Number 3. If there is an update available, you should see an option to update. Tap Update to install the latest version. Method number 4. Reinstall Google Play Services updates. If updating doesn't resolve the issue, reinstalling the updates for Google Play Services might help. Sometimes updates can become corrupted, leading to persistent errors. Reinstalling the updates can fix these problems. Here's how you do it. 1. open Settings. Access the Settings app on your device. Number 2, navigate to Apps. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Applications. Number 3, select Google Play Services. Find and tap on Google Play Services. Number 4, Uninstall Updates. Tap the 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner of the screen and select Uninstall Updates. This action will revert Google Play Services to its factory version. Number 5, Reinstall Updates. After uninstalling updates, return to the Google Play Store app. Search for Google Play Services and install any available updates. Reinstalling the updates can help resolve issues caused by corrupted files. Method 5, check for system updates. System updates can fix bugs and improve the overall stability of your device, including issues with Google Play Services. Keeping your Android system updated is crucial for maintaining device performance and compatibility with Google Play Services. Here's how to check for and install system updates. Number 1, open Settings. Go to Settings app on your device. Number 2, access System or Software Update. Tap on System or Software Update, depending on your device model. Number 3, check for updates. Tap Check for Updates. Your device will search for any available updates. If an update is found, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. 4, restart your device. After installing the update, your device may restart. This is normal and helps complete the update process. Method 6, reset app preferences. Sometimes, conflicts between Google Play Services and other apps can cause issues. Resetting app preferences might help. It can resolve conflicts or issues caused by changes in app settings. Here's how to reset app preferences. 1, open Settings. Access the Settings app on your device. Number 2, navigate to Apps. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Applications. Number 3, reset preferences. Tap the 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner of the screen and select Reset App Preferences. This action will reset all app preferences, including disabled apps, notification restrictions, and default apps. Number 4, confirm reset. Confirm the reset when prompted. This process will not delete any app data but can resolve issues related to app conflicts and settings. Method number 7, factory reset as a last resort. If all else fails and you are still encountering issues with Google Play Services, factory reset might be necessary. This step will erase all data on your device, so make sure to back up your important files before proceeding. A factory reset is a more drastic measure that will restore your device to its original factory settings. This process erases all data on your device, so it is crucial to back up your files beforehand. Here's how to perform a factory reset. 1, open Settings. Go to the Settings app on your device. Number 2, navigate to System or Backup and Reset. Tap on System or Backup and Reset, depending on your device model. 3, select Reset Options. Tap Reset Options, then select Erase All Data, Factory Reset. Number 4, confirm Reset. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset. Your device will restart and begin the factory reset process. Important note: after the factory reset, your device will be like new and you will need to set it up from scratch. Reinstall your apps and restore your data from backups. These steps should only be taken if all other troubleshooting methods have failed. And that's a wrap. We've covered a range of methods to troubleshoot Google Play Services errors on your Android device. By following these steps, you can resolve most issues related to Google Play Services and keep your apps running smoothly. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more tips and tech tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.